So far, everything is going normal in the premium group of Telegram, and the Forex signals that we have sent within the last 2 days have made a total of 110 pips of profit to our clients. And I believe everyone there is satisfied, hopefully. Of course, we have to just exclude the Aud Usd signal, which is running currently in 24 or 25 pips of loss, but I think later on it will be in a good profit. So this is the group itself from Telegram. As you can see, if you have joined the premium group, this is exactly what you will find. These are the signals with the charts and the analysis itself, and explaining why we are entering here and there, and along with the trend lines, of course. So thankfully, as you can see, most of the signals have reached their take profit levels, and I believe later we will receive some happy messages from our clients. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. So let's now begin the reviewing of the signals or the advices that I have sent last Sunday on YouTube. And let's of course begin with the Euro USD. So regarding this pair, it seems to me like the Euro USD right now has finished actually the pullback, and right now will continue the rise again to hit the same level of the resistance at 1.14689. Now let me just tell you that it's somehow critical right now at the Euro USD. It's not that easily actually to tell where the pair is going to, because the market was supposed to continue the fall till it reaches the previous support resistance level at 1.13542. But however, right now we are having here a small bullish candle. I believe this bullish candle will turn to be bearish one. That is my thoughts. Since right now we are actually analyzing on the daily chart, and seems to me so far there is not a single price action indicates a bullish reversal. So far everything says that the Euro USD will continue to be bearish, but however we have to consider right now that we are on the peak of the resistance exactly right here, almost right there, exactly at 1.14345. Now let me just tell you something. We have to consider that the Euro USD today might actually continue the rise till it reaches our sell area. However, I'm advising you to not open the sell order immediately. I'm advising you guys, please listen to my words. Don't rush to open the sell order immediately once it reaches that level at 1.14689. Just wait to see the price action on that level. Just wait to see how the market is reacting to that level of the resistance, because that level of the resistance right now is quite strong. And I believe right now the Euro USD has performed here double top pattern, or you know something, no, I would like to take it back. This is not how the double top pattern looks like. So however, most likely we are having here a very strong level of a resistance at 1.14689. So if the Euro USD has resumed the rising right here to reach our sell level, then again just wait and monitor the market. Just observe it, how it's reacting to this level. If you have seen the market here closing or you see the 4-hour time frame candle closed as a pin bar, then it's meaning that we have to get ready to start shorting the Euro USD. Otherwise, don't ever place any buy orders. Sell orders. Don't attempt to open any sell orders if you have seen here a strong bullish candle. Make sure that you are just waiting for the right moment. So far, the signal is remaining the same. I believe the Euro USD, this is still good to be short, and I believe eventually the final direction so far this week for the Euro USD will be the previous resistance right here at 1.13542. But again, this is for maybe the 5th time I'm telling you, please just wait for the right moment and don't ever place any pending orders or open the trade blindly. So that's everything for the Euro USD. Let's now continue to the Pound USD. So regarding the Pound USD, as you can see, the pair has now reached the sell level, as we can see. Actually, the sell order was opened yesterday, as you can see right here. The Pound USD has reached our sell level at 1.35580 and went all the way, oh my goodness, and went all the way in a good profit for about 42 pips. However, right now everything might have changed. Why? Let me tell you why. Because right now we're having here a strong support level, as you can see clearly like that. We are having here a support has been performed at 1.35388, which means the pound USD actually have a potential to continue the rise till it reaches the resistance right here at actually higher than that. The previous resistance right here exactly is at 1.3599, sorry, 35954, which means that the pound USD will not be good to be short right here. It's gonna be better to start shorting this pair later on, not now. So let me just now delete this signal. Or you know something, I don't want to delete it, I just want to adjust this signal. Everything has changed, my friends. Why? Because let me just tell you why. I need to remove this. Let me just delete everything so we can explain on a clear chart why the pound USD is not good to be shorted at the moment. So we are having right here a support level, exactly right here. So we were hoping that this level of a previous support level will be retested and the market will create right here a new resistance, and from that point it's gonna be good to be short the pound USD. However, that didn't happen, and the market has here yesterday created a new support, which means that most likely right now the pound USD will actually continue the rise. But how far? Let me just tell you how far the pound USD might continue the rise. So we are having here a resistance trend line just like that. So therefore I believe that most likely the pound USD, exactly like this, the pound USD will continue the rise till it reaches the peak of that resistance. Yes, exactly like that. Exactly just like that, and after that it's gonna be good to start shorting the pound USD again. But however, please keep in mind, if we started shorting the pound USD right here, it's gonna be, I think, ideal or good idea to start short it, because we will be having right here a head and shoulders pattern, which indicates that the pair is getting ready to continue the fall, and we will be having also right here a support, a trend line just like that, which will be breaking out from, which is really good. So however, the point I'm trying to say here is wait for the pound USD to reach this level of the previous resistance at 1.35829, and just please observe how the market reacts to that level. If you have seen the pound USD actually reversing at that level, then that means that we are getting ready for a new short level, because the pattern of the head and shoulders has been completed and has been or actually it has confirmed that we can start shorting the pound USD right from that point. But again, please don't sell away, don't start shorting the pair right away. Wait for the perfect moment and just wait for the confirmation. So again, why I told you we are having here a support trend line, because it's gonna be a good signal that we can start shorting if the pair has broke out from that support trend line. This is gonna be good for the short, because it means that the pound USD will continue the fall all the way till it reaches the previous support level at 1.33735. So it's gonna be good to confirm that our decision for the shorting was actually correct. But however, until then we have to maintain our sell level only till the previous resistance level right here, after about 120 pips. So therefore the take profit level will be 1.34606. 16 only, 606. Perfect. Now for the safe zone, since we are actually depending on the pattern of head and shoulders to appear right here, meaning our safe zone should be ranging just till the peak of the resistance right here at 1.36339. We don't really require higher than that, which means the safe zone is ranging for about 50 pips only. So again, wait for the right moment, and again, please don't rush to open any sell positions until you see the confirmation that the pair is actually getting ready to reverse at that level of a previous resistance. That's everything for the pound USD. Let's now move to the next pair. Let's now move to the AUD USD. So regarding the AUD USD, sadly this signal did not work, as you can see, and the pair has exceeded the safe zone for about 42 pips. And again, hopefully you guys please accept my apology if this signal has caused you to lose any money, and again we will do the best we can to recover any losses from this signal. So let me just tell you what we can do next with the AUD USD. For me, it seems like this pair is right now reaching a high level of a resistance exactly right here at 0.71679. the pair is gonna be reaching the overbought zone. So let me just study the movement of the AUD USD so far. So what we can see right here is very interesting, because the AUD USD has actually performed right here a previous resistance, and we were actually relying on this pattern as a false breakout, so then the resistance level right here will be respected. But however, that didn't really happen. What happened is something else. We can see the breakout happened immediately right here. The breakout happened immediately from here, and then the pair has reversed right from that resistance level, and then the AUD USD has bounced exactly on the same level of that previous support at let me just tell you exactly where, exactly at 0.71086. Now the pair has resumed the rise immediately after bouncing on that level of a support. However, that's telling us that the pair is reaching right now a very how can I say this? It's reaching a high level of overbought, and most likely the AUD USD right now is gaining some liquidity to start the reversal. Most likely it's gonna be a good idea to start shorting the AUD USD exactly from that point what I have marked as 0.71771. We have to wait for the AUD USD to rise to another 22 pips before we can start shorting it. We have to consider how the market has reacted to the same level of resistance every single time it has reached that level as a strong key resistance level. So by checking the history, we can tell clearly that the AUD USD has reversed exactly on that level of resistance as 0.71771 again. So let me just show you, it was also a strong key support level. It was here a false breakout. Then if we scroll more to the left, we can notice how the pair has respected this level indeed. So it was actually a very strong level as a resistance. Look at that, check this out. Perfect. This is a perfection. This is a perfection, my friends. Now this is actually has confirmed that the AUD USD most likely is going to reverse at that level of a previous resistance, and the eventual target will be, let me just tell you exactly where the target will be. So if we started shorting the pair right here, the next target will be right here as the previous strong key support level, exactly like that. So meaning we can expect to make about 68 pips profit from this signal. Let me tell you, actually the target can be higher than that. It can be actually like this, at the nearest strong key support level, which is at 0.70981, which means we can wait for the AUD USD to reach our target at about 84 pips. Not only that, but of course we are having right here this resistance trend line, and I believe if we draw exactly, that's another perfection. We can expect from the AUD USD to reverse exactly from that level of a resistance trend line, which means we are having here a channel exactly just like that. Therefore, if the AUD USD has reversed from that level of a resistance trend line, it has a potential to continue the fall all the way till it reaches the other edge of the channel, which is going to be the previous support right here as 0.700 or 70035. But again, I have to remind you to not ever rush to open the sell order. Just wait to see how the AUD USD is acting to that level of a resistance, and make sure that the pair has actually given up to break out from it and started the reversal. Then after that, open your sell order. Don't ever set any pending orders. I have to say this on every signal that I'm sending. Every single time I'm telling you to or giving you the signal, I have to mention to never open pending orders, because I'm very much sure that there are some followers here. They don't even listen to what I'm saying. They just open the video. They are just going to the sell and take profit level. They mark it down and they just close the video. I'm sure there are some of these people who just don't care. They just want signal. They don't care about what I'm telling. They don't care about what this guy is saying. Just give me the signal and leave me away. Anyway, I'm telling you to please wait for the right level to start, to the right moment to start shorting. Therefore, sell at 0.71771. And the take profit level will be right here. Take profit level 0.70918. And for the safe zone, shouldn't be actually higher than that level of a resistance. That's actually enough. It should be for about 35 pips only. That's everything for the AUD USD. Let me now please move to the next pair. Let's now move to the USD Cad. So regarding USD Cad, sadly this signal has failed, unfortunately, but however, let's now see what we can do next with this pair. Let me just delete the old signal, and let me just tell you that so far, in my opinion, the USD Cad is still to be longing, but we have to wait for the right moment. If we check clearly, we are having right here a strong support trend line which has been respected, and the market seems like it's actually going to continue the rise. Now someone might tell me, Salah, come on man, these are just 2 points, you just connected the levels of just 2 points of a support trend line. But I'm telling you, these are not just 2 lines, they're actually more than that. Let me just, I need to show you example, because I know some people are not convinced. Let me just show you. I will just randomly, and I swear I did not do this before recording. This just came to my mind right now. I will just draw here a support trend line, sorry, a resistance trend line, and actually using the understanding of my trend lines and the magic of trend lines principles, let me say, that I have showed in another video. All we need to do right now is draw the resistance trend line from this lower high to this higher high, and then drag it all the way, and we will see just a perfection in the direction. So we can see clearly right here, exactly, perfect. We're having here a resistance trend line which has become a support trend line, and it has become another support trend line right here. So we're having more than 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts of a support trend line on the same level, and there is a high probability that the USD Cad will continue the fall till it reaches the same level of a support trend line, and after that is going to continue the rise to create 3 attempts of that resistance at 1.27895. Most likely the USD Cad will actually continue the rise right from that level. So let me just now move to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we need to highlight the strong key support level and resistance. So it's clearly right here, exactly, we're having a strong key support level which has already become a support number 1 at that point. And if we check the history, we can see that this level was also a support and also a strong key resistance level in the past. And let's now scroll more to the left just to confirm how the market has reacted to that level as a support, and here it is, our confirmation that the same level at 1.26814 is actually a strong key support level. That being said, most likely the USD Cad will continue to fall till it reaches that level of a previous support, and after that it's gonna be good to start buying the pair. But again, I have to remind you to wait for the price action, wait for the perfect moment to open your trade, and never of course set any pending orders. So as I have mentioned earlier, the target will be right here, the strong key resistance level at 1.27638, which means we can expect to make about 83 pips profit from this signal, 1.27638. I had to stop saying signals, these are just advices. So the safe zone, my friends, will be ranging just till here, till the lowest level of the support at 1.26493. We don't really require higher than that, therefore the safe zone is ranging for just about, I think, 32 pips only. We don't really need higher than that, as I said. That's everything for the USD Cad. Let's now move to the next pair. Let's move to the USD Gpy. So regarding USD Gpy, as you can see, the signal has been triggered and currently running in a profit. So far 5 or 6 pips of profit. I think there is absolutely nothing required to be added to the USD Gpy. The pair has reversed from that strong resistance level, as I have mentioned earlier, at 115.555. And I think so far everything is going well. We can expect from the USD Gpy to be ranging at that level of a resistance right here before finally be in profit. Again, I really doubt that the USD Gpy will continue the fall immediately. You can wait for the better moment to start opening your trade. Just wait till it reaches that resistance zone again, and then open your trade, and hopefully it's gonna be a profitable signal. So nothing changed for the USD Gpy. Everything just remains the same. Let's now take a look at the USD CHF, which I believe is going well so far. It has reversed from the level where we mentioned that we can start buying, and went in total of 35 pips. it was very close to the take profit level. It's actually a small signal. It's just have a target of 50 pips only and a safe zone of just 27 pips. So however, let me just tell you that regarding USD CHF, it has a potential to reach again our buy level and go a little bit down below the buy entry for just few pips only before finally reverses again. Because right now we are having here, as we can see, the market has been in consolidation mode right here. It's just ranging at that level of a previous support, a previous resistance. So right now the market is struggling at that level. As I mentioned earlier, it's just in consolidation mode. Therefore, we can expect from the USD CHF to be ranging right here, and we can expect from the pair to continue the fall just till the midway of the safe zone, till 0.92150, before finally becomes in profit again. I believe there is nothing required to be changed on this signal. I think everything is going well, but again, I'm telling you, expect from it to be in a little bit in loss before finally be in profit. That's everything for the USD CHF. Let's now move to the next one. Let's now take a look at the gold. All right, so now regarding this gold, as you can see, the pair has right now reached the sell level and currently running in just, I think, 17 pips or 16 pips of loss only so far, which is of course normal. However, let me just tell you what we can expect next from the gold. I really don't think that the gold will reverse right now. Most likely it will continue or it will start the reversal exactly, and just to be precise as much as possible, from 1834.18. Let me just make it sure. 1834.18. That's, I believe, the level where the gold will start the bearish reversal. Why? Because on the daily chart, first of all, we can see that this is the highest level of the resistance, and I don't think that gold has any chance to go higher than that level. Also, another thing which has actually been known for the followers of my channel, those who are following me for a long time, they know the rules. When you are having here a support level, and that support gets a breakout, been breaken out from with a strong bearish breakout candle, most likely the reversal will start immediately after the pair reaching the lowest level of the tail, which is the nearest one to the bearish breakout candle. So in this scenario, we're having right here this tail, which is the nearest one to the bearish breakout candle, and the gold most likely will reverse exactly from that point, which means we can expect from the gold to be running in just about 85 pips of loss before finally starts to be in profit. So therefore, if you guys did not open the sell order, and I hope you didn't, just please wait for the perfect moment to start to open your trade. Don't open your trade before that. I know it's too late to say that, but however, I just wanted to remind everyone to never open any sell positions. I mean, currently at the moment, I don't see any signs that the pair is going to continue the fall. Right now, with this price action, I would never ever open sell position. Never. There is not a single sign that the gold is going to start the bearish reversal at the moment. All we are seeing right here on the 4-hour time frame is confirming that the pair is continuing the rising, which means we should never open any sell positions right now. The signal is there, my friends, just to inform us that there is a potential reversal that might happen right there. So we have to wait for the perfect moment. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the gold has performed a strong bullish candle, which means that we should never open the sell position at the moment. So therefore, please pay attention to what I'm saying and just wait for the perfect moment to start shorting the gold. I believe the gold will be good to be short, but however, let's just wait for the perfect moment, and not only the perfect moment, and also the perfect time, because people are just waiting for the signal to reach the level at 1834, for example. But don't open your trade until you see the pair has showed signs that it's getting ready for the bearish reversal. However, I just have to change the take profit level. That previous take profit level is just not realistic in my opinion. The more realistic level of a take profit level will be right here, the previous support level at exactly 1788.96. that's actually a better level as a take profit level. The pair, if the gold has reversed upon the pressure from the resistance right here at 1834, then we can expect from the gold to reach this level as a strong support, or sorry, the previous strong support level at 1788, which means the gold will be ranging in this channel as it has always done in the past. So I think that's it for the midweek analysis. Again, guys, please be extra careful when you are trading these signals. I really hope it's going to be a very profitable signals, and hopefully everyone will make good profit out of them. You might notice that in my sound I sound a little bit nervous. I'm sure you have noticed that. It's just because I'm really being chased by the history of the last 2 weeks. The results were not really pleased. Therefore, I'm just really hoping for this week to be like a recovering week, and hopefully I will gain the trust of my followers again. The view rates have been dropped, of course, due to the results, and I really don't like to say that. I just wish that the view rates will get back to where it was before. So of course, guys, if you have made any profits from these signals, please don't forget to share this video and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we will all grow together on this great channel, and hopefully we will make profits together, and I will try my best to release at least 2 live trading videos this week. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.